Tandem kayaking, a fun and collaborative adventure. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, tandem kayaking. Whether you're a language learner or an outdoor enthusiast, this video will explore what tandem kayaking means, its origin, and how it's used in conversation. So, let's paddle into the world of language and adventure. Tandem kayaking refers to kayaking with two people in the same kayak. Unlike solo kayaking, where one person controls the kayak, tandem kayaking is a collaborative activity. Each person has a paddle and contributes to maneuvering the kayak. This term combines tandem, meaning a two-person setup, and kayaking, a popular water sport involving a small, narrow watercraft. The word tandem originally comes from Latin, meaning at length. In English, it evolved to describe things arranged one behind the other. Combined with kayaking, which has Inuit origins, the phrase tandem kayaking perfectly describes the action of two people paddling in a single kayak, one in front of the other. Tandem kayaking can be used in various ways in English. For example, we went tandem kayaking on the lake. It was a great team-building experience. Do you prefer solo or tandem kayaking? They offer tandem kayaking lessons at the beach. In each case, the phrase is used to describe an activity involving two people in one kayak. Tandem kayaking isn't just about the sport. It's also about teamwork and communication. It requires both kayakers to coordinate their movements and work together. This makes it a great metaphor in English for any collaborative effort or partnership. I hope this video has been informative and enjoyable, giving you a clear understanding of tandem kayaking. Remember, language learning is like tandem kayaking. It's more fun and effective when we do it together. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next language adventure.